Hello everyone, BrickShips1912 here, and welcome to the last video of the how-to series. This video is about building what you based it on, keep on working on it until you're happy with it. Like, for instance, my Lego Titanic that you see right here will be turning 2 years old on May 9th to 10th. I will open up my laptop and show you a photo of what it looked like 2 years ago. I might turn it down a bit, the brightness. I will edit it in, but that is what it used to look like 2 years ago. And now it looks more like this. So, with it turning 2 years old soon, and that apparently to Social Blade I will reach 1,000 by the time it reaches 2, I will be doing something big for its 2-year birthday or something. 2-year anniversary, because most of the time my Lego Titanics would only last. Longest one I think lasted like 5 months. But other than that, all of them were destroyed pretty quickly. This one is by far the longest surviving one. So, with your Lego ship, keep working on it until the day that you are happy with your work. Like, I'm happy with this right now. There's just a few little things I'm probably going to change with it over the few days, a few months before it's 2 years. Such as adding the davits. These ones are fake, that are holding the extra lifeboat on. Adding a bit more detail. You can see that there are people now on it. But just work on it until you see fit. You see it done. That's all I gotta say, really. Queen Mary will probably take just as much time. If not more, because I don't know her as well. But I'm getting to the point where I'm proud of this, and it will probably just live up on my shelf when it's done. It will live on my shelf for the rest of its days, because I ain't destroying this. No way in hell I'm destroying this one. But that is all. I hope you've enjoyed this series. I'm done with this series. I hope you did enjoy. They will always be there to help you. But thank you all for watching. See you in the next video. And please get me to 1,000 before she is 2. So May 9th, before May 9th, get me to 1,000. Then I'll do something big. So, with that all out of the way, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. for more Lego and gaming content, because that's back from my last video. Tomorrow's video is going to be another gaming video, but with that all out of the way, see ya, I'm just dragging this on too far. Bye.